Braka we bone jwang game
Ah, game ke bone ya mnate ne. So nna ke re thank for Orlando Pirates for man of the match ka di-fan.
Yeah.
Not ka ho bapala ball. Ka di-fan today it was yeah ba tswile today. But nna ke buile mabane ka re Pirates e be tsonsa agree win Stellenbosch winile last week. Stellenbosch drawile le Sundowns. It's Pirates I celebrate number 2 because Stellenbosch drawile le Sundowns. Because number 1 ba ka se ibone.
Yeah,
number 1 ba ka se ibone at all.
Number 1 number 1.
Right now it's number 1.
Yeah, you know, I get cherry umbrella for now. It's cherry umbrella. So all right, are can game me, ne? Game me Kaizer Chiefs iba bezam nut.
Yeah.
Mabani ke buile ka line up ya Kaizer Chiefs or if u ka kana le bomthetho. Pirates ka se win and then aya win vele ya win. So the coach ara za Kaizer Chiefs ba etse poso A1 consumpted. This guy was number 8. One number 8. Unjovu. Unjovu. Bakense Chabalala. Bakyule mthetho. We're supposed to win 1-0. So Nagiri thanks for Kaizer Chiefs to take 1 point. I'm so happy about the performance of Kaizer Chiefs.
But I'm sorry.
I don't want to say much. I'm happy about this 1 point. As long as Pirates is in league, ne? Pirates is in league after Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know when, how many years. Going league after that Pirates is in league. I don't know. It's going maybe 10 years or whatever. I don't care how many years. Yeah. So Mara Pirates is in league before Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you. Okay. Man of the match, Peter said.
Peter said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.